We begin with breaking news in the murder investigation focused on Aaron Hernandez. Ernest Wallace, who was charged in connection to the murder, was back before a judge just moments ago. After arguments from the prosecution and defense, the judge set bail for Wallace. Eyewitness News reporter Sean Daly has been in court all morning. He joins us now live with the latest from the southeastern Massachusetts Mobile Newsroom. Sean?
Patrick, yes, the judge did set bail at $500,000, $500,000 cash bail for Ernest Wallace, accused of being an accessory after the fact of murder in connection with the killing of 27-year-old Odin Lloyd of Boston, a killing made, of course, famous by the fact that the accused murderer is the former star tight end of the New England Patriots, Aaron Hernandez. The prosecution had asked for $1 million cash bail. The judge, in effect, went halvesies on that. $500,000, a huge amount of money for a man who has no known address. This is a man who doesn't have much money, if any. It's an open question whether he will ever be able to make this bail. Here's a brief summary of what just went on in the courtroom.
Your Honor, the defendant has been charged with accessory after the fact. It's the Commonwealth's position that significant bail based on the nature and the circumstances of this crime are warranted.
I would ask the court, in your discretion, given the nature of the charges, to set bail at $10,000 cash, to allow Mr. Wallace to return to his family home, to stay at his family home on a GPS bracelet.
I find that the defendant is a potential flight risk, that a serious bail, a significant bail, would have to be set to assure his appearance in court, and the court would set a $500,000 cash bail, a $5 million surety, to assure the defendant's appearance in court. If he's able to post that bail, he would be eligible for release.
The judge went on to say that bail is not punishment for a defendant, but in fact, bail is set to ensure that a defendant gets to trial, that he does appear for his trial on the charges that he faces. And this is general knowledge in all cases, and the judge put that out there again just by way of reminder. And then he went back, the judge went back to remember that the aliases that Ernest Wallace has used through the years on many criminal charges against him that he's faced have been many, 3 or 4 different aliases. That seemed to be some of what supported the judge's decision to go for this $500,000, $500,000 cash bail. Live in Attleboro at District Court with the Southeastern Massachusetts Mobile Newsroom. Sean Daly, Eyewitness News.
And you can count on Eyewitness News for continuing coverage of the Aaron Hernandez murder investigation. We have extended coverage on WPRI.com. There you can find the latest headlines, a chilling timeline laid out by prosecutors as well online in this case.